Hi everyone. Today we'll be learning about sets. So this is your IGCSE topic which we'll be learning about. Okay. So let's understand the meaning of sets with the help of an example. Okay. So suppose you're having a basket. Okay. You're having a basket and it is full of fruits. Okay. So there are various fruits in it. Okay. And you have fruits such as apples, mangoes, grapes. Okay, you have three fruits in a basket and it has apples, mangoes and grapes. Okay, so what we can say, a set is basically a collection of items or objects. Okay, so here the basket is a set which consists of apples, mangoes and grapes, which are your fruits. Okay, so what is a set? A set is a collection of objects or any other items. Okay, in mathematics, what we say is that a set is a collection of numbers or any other variables or any other items or things. Okay, so basically a set is the collection of items or objects. Okay, now if we have to denote sets, now there is a denotion which is used for representing sets, okay, in visual form or when we write it on paper. So you denote sets with the help of curly brackets. Okay, so these are the curly brackets with which you can denote the sets. Suppose you have a set A is equals to curly brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So A is a set which is a collection of numbers, or we can say it is a collection of natural numbers. So this is your definition of set. Okay. Now, the items that you have in a set are known as the elements. Okay. So these are the elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are the elements of the set. Okay. So what we can say that we denote sets with the help of curly brackets. Okay. And in the curly brackets, we write the items which the set consists of, which are known as the elements of the set. Okay. Now, there are many types of sets that we can study. The first type is a finite set. Okay. Now, what is a finite set? A finite set is a set which has finite number of items in it, as the name suggests. Okay. So, suppose the set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It consists of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, it is a finite set. Okay. Because you have only 5 numbers in it, and 5 is a finite number. Okay. Now, the second type of set is the infinite set. Now, what is the infinite set? Which has infinite number of elements in it. So, suppose you have a set B, which is A, B, C, D, and up to so on. We don't know how many elements are there in the set. So, this is an infinite set. Okay, so when there are limited numbers or limited items in the set, it is known as a finite set, and when there are unlimited items which you cannot count off, it is known as an infinite set. Okay, now the third type of set is the empty set. Now, as the name suggests, an empty set has nothing. Okay, so suppose there's a set C which consists of nothing. There are no elements in this set, so this is an empty set. So we can say that set C is an empty set. So you have three sets: finite, infinite, and empty set. Now, if there's an empty set is also denoted as phi. Okay, so this is the symbol of phi which you can use in the place of an empty set. So we say that phi equals empty set. So this is just a denotion, or this is just a representation of an empty set. Okay, so whenever you have something written as d equals phi, so it means that d is empty. Okay, so these are the type of sets. Now in the next video, we'll be studying about a subtopic of this, which is subset. Okay, so we'll understand what subset is and then we'll continue our topic. Now, we have an online community which you can join for learning IGCSE topics and other exam related strategies. Now, I'm also starting a course in mid-June, and there will also be a course which will be starting in July. So, it will be for the October November 2025, and the next year Feb March students 2026. So you can join my course. It is a very good course. You must join it because it will be like a walkthrough. We'll have various topics, we'll have various discussions, various exam strategies. I'll be giving live classes, and the live classes will be conducted twice a week, and we'll solve everything. We'll have paper walkthroughs, and we'll also go through all the topics nicely so that you can prepare for your exams very well. Okay, so you can join it. The link for that, we have a Google form for that. So if you can register your interest, it will be in the description box. So see, the course is very beneficial for you. Why? Because see, whenever you're preparing a lot of subjects, okay, maths generally takes a backseat. All right, so if you'll join that course, you'll have a very coherent preparation. Okay, so we'll have various topics videos. Okay, we'll conduct various live videos on it, live classes and live sessions on it, and I'll take your doubts, and I will learn a very we'll do all the questions and all the past year papers, the topical papers, and we'll practice a lot of questions. I'll also help you out in the mark scheme and checking your answers. So it will be a very good course for you, and it is very budget friendly also. So you can check out the details in the description box, and you can fill out the form if you are interested. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.